If you've ever wanted to add a clickable link inside a SurveyMonkey survey, this video is going to show you exactly how to do it step by step. Whether you want to direct people to a website, a resource, a product page, or a support form, inserting a hyperlink in SurveyMonkey is quick once you know where to click. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your browser and go to SurveyMonkey. Once you're on the homepage, sign in if needed and open the survey you want to edit. If you don't already have a survey created, you can start a new one from the dashboard and then go into the editor. Now, inside your survey, find the spot where you want to add the hyperlink. This could be in a question, a description field, an instruction line, or anywhere text can be inserted. Hover over that area until you see the plus icon appear. That plus button is what lets you add new content blocks into your survey. Click the plus icon and from the options that appear, choose text. This will create a text box where you can enter your hyperlink content. SurveyMonkey doesn't usually make the hyperlink itself the main focus right away, so this text block is where you'll build it. Once the text editor opens, look for the pin icon. This is the link tool. Click the pin icon to start adding your URL. A box will appear where you can paste the web address you want to link to. Make sure the URL is complete and correct, including HTTPS if needed, so the link works properly when someone clicks it. After you paste your URL, you'll also see an option to set the display text. Click on the text display field and type the words you want respondents to see. This is important because instead of showing the full long URL, you can make it look cleaner and more professional. For example, you might display something like, visit our website, download the guide, or click here for more info. Take a moment to review everything before saving. Make sure the link destination is correct and the display text looks the way you want it to appear in the survey. When everything is ready, click OK to confirm the hyperlink settings. Finally, don't forget to click Save so your changes are applied to the survey. Once saved, your SurveyMonkey survey will now include a clickable hyperlink in the text area you added. That means respondents can easily open your link while completing the survey. And that's it. You've successfully inserted a hyperlink in SurveyMonkey. If you found this helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more SurveyMonkey tutorials, form tips, or survey editing guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.